Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the brightness settings and the color settings in Hogwarts Legacy. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So there are some parts of the game that may be way too dark or it may be washed out. If I press options and then go to the display setting right here, I can go over to image calibration, where I can adjust the brightness or HDR parameters. So select this and you can see the HDR white points, black points, brightness, and user interface brightness. Now just go ahead and adjust the white point and the black points and the brightness overall until it gets to the point where the image is bright enough and not completely washed out for you. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.